Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by cutting WhatsApp off from cellular data. Go to Settings and locate Mobile Data or Cellular, then find WhatsApp. Once there, switch off mobile data and disable background app refresh so the app stops using data in the background. Make sure to enable the System Data Saver or Low Data mode to reinforce the restriction. You do this now to prevent further transfer while you adjust app-level options. This reduces surprises and gives you control before changing in-app settings. Next, open WhatsApp and go to Settings, then Storage and Data. You change Media Auto-Download to Wi-Fi only for photos, audio, video, and documents so media doesn't fetch on cellular. Once done, enable low data usage for calls to reduce packet use, and pause automatic backups or switch them to Wi-Fi only. Make sure to review chat-specific settings for large groups, because group media can consume lots of data. This middle step slashes ongoing consumption while keeping essential messaging functional. To finish, double-check System Data Saver and the app restrictions you applied. Confirm Media Auto-Download and backups are set to Wi-Fi only. Then monitor WhatsApp's cellular usage in Settings right arrow Cellular to ensure the changes took effect, and reset counters monthly to track progress. If something goes wrong, messages not syncing or media failing, you should restart the phone, make sure WhatsApp has required permissions, and if needed, reinstall the app after backing up on Wi-Fi. This solves most edge cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.